Whatever you said to Mithai in a fit of anger, now I'll give you an answer for that. Mithai won't give a chance to anyone to call her incapable, rustic, and uneducated ever again. I am taking the responsibility to educate Mithai. I'll make Mithai worthy of Siddharth. This is the vow of Siddheshwar Modak.
What have you all started on such an auspicious day?
Yes, Mom is absolutely right. Today is a joyful day. Samaresh, please be quiet now. And Dad, why are you getting so agitated? Everybody wants to be happy today,
No.
but you
A
guys...
commotion is created as soon as I open my mouth in this house. Okay, I will leave then. And Mom, let me inform you. Today's squabble is the effect of yesterday's incident. Dad wants to educate this girl and finally make her worthy of Siddharth, making castles in the air. But his wishes will never materialize. Today, on the day of this Indian festival, I'm telling this in front of everyone.
Priest, please start chanting the prayers.
Oh Lord, please let peace prevail in this house. Please. This regular fights because of me should stop. Guests will be coming to this house in the evening. Everybody should be happy and joyous. Mithai wants everybody to be happy, isn't it?
Sid, stop the car here. Get down. Let's go inside.
Tess, is it necessary to stop here? Grandpa's asked me to come home early today. There was so much commotion at home yesterday. I don't want any untoward incident today.
Sid, look. I don't want to see you suffer like this anymore. Please, let's go inside. Listen to me, let's go inside.
Tess,
I understand. Even the name Mithai has also become a nightmare for you. Relax, Sid. Please relax. Sid, I've heard what Grandpa was saying back then. In order to impress Neepas to be mother-in-law, you and Mithai can't pretend to be a happy couple, and I know that. No matter whatever Grandpa thinks.
look, Tess, I'm also not keen, but a lot of sentiments are involved with this marriage. I really don't have any option.
Okay, let's have a drink at least.
No, you can have a drink if you want. I'll just have some lime and soda. I'm feeling very tired today.
Okay, fine. I'll order. Excuse me? Walk slowly.
Oh, Sister Sri, after taking up so much, if I fall down all of a sudden, then please don't scold me.
The way you are behaving with so much restlessness, you'll fall down any moment now. So calm down.
Sister Sri, please drop my sari a little higher.
Will you just calm down? This girl has become all crazy since morning. Hey, come here. Come here.
What?
What's wrong with you? Why are you being so restless? Do you want a tight slap? Why can't you just follow quietly what is being told to you?
You aren't understanding my problem, mother. My limbs doesn't remain in my control.
Hello! Where is everyone? Sushmita and Animesh will arrive in a little while.
Grandpa, here we come. Your army is ready.
Great.
Sister Neepa, you are looking so pretty. Am I looking pretty?
Thank you, Mithai. Grandpa. Hey, Grandpa. Can we now take a group photo, please? You had said in the morning, remember?
Right. I had said that. But where is everyone? Hey, Amresh, Sulata. Appa,
Yes?
where's Sulata's mother-in-law?
Dad, you are impossible. Do something. You call the mother-in-law of Sulata and I'll call your daughter.
Very well.
Sulata!
Sushma! Sushma!
Here I am. What happened? Why are you calling me? Will you tell me what is it? Oh my! Neepa? How wonderful. You have put on beautiful jewelry. Let me have a look. Did you see how pretty Neepa is looking? Now, you tell me, what is it that you
Sister
want?
Neepa, you are looking so pretty today. And on top of that, you'll sing today as well. What if Ratul wants to get married to you today itself?
What, Mithai?
What?
Can you crack such jokes too? I wasn't aware of it. Hey, Sandy,
Hmm.
do you realize one thing? Nowadays, Mithai is also teasing Neepa.
Mithai,
Yes.
listen.
Yes.
What I'm saying, call up your Mr. Bitter God and tell him, darling, can you hear me? Please come back.
What?
Yes. Tell him I'll dance. Won't you watch me dancing?
Oh my.
Hmm.
Sandy, you are becoming weird day by day since you write a daily soap. What he just said, he wants me to call Mr. Bitterguard. As if I'm so eager to get scolded. Are you out of your sense? How dare you call me up? You don't have anything to do? All you know is to do drama.
Come here.
What?
Aren't
What
you
happened?
acting over smart? Didn't Aunt Oppa tell you a while ago not to fool around today?
Oh, Parvati! Is Mithai stoppable? She will continue doing this all the time.
Oh my, you all are so busy with Neepa. Just see how Neepa's mom is looking. Just have a look.
Oppa, I want to say that I knew very well that today is Neepa's engagement. But seeing Sulata, it seems that if she could remarry once again.
Ah, Sushma! Sushma! Just see this. Amresh hasn't changed a bit. Hey, your children are all grown up. Don't tease their mom in front of
Dad,
them.
you're my mentor in sense of humor. I've learned everything from you.
You couldn't learn anything from him, right? Did you see that, Dad? I've just plucked this flower from his garden and fixed it in my hair. I didn't
This
do anything else, just this much. And he's teasing me.
Mom, listen. The question is not about decking up just a little bit.
Of course, it's just a bit.
No, it's lot much.
Hey, Sandy. And Sulata, you're looking very pretty. Thank you. I have a feeling that today's evening is going to be a great one.
Now that everyone is here, can we all take a group photo? Hey, what do you mean by everyone is here, Neepa? You have forgotten your sister Nanda, isn't it?
Oh, Nanda, is she supposed to remember you today? Is that normal? Don't forget this. Today she will remember only her to-be husband, Ratul. Isn't it, Grandpa? Am I right?
Nanda,
Yes.
I haven't seen you in so long.
How are you, my child?
Oh, my mom, darling, you're reacting in such a way that you've seen her
I'll
for the
pull
first
your
time.
ears. Where is Sushmita and your father-in-law?
Hey, welcome. Namaste. Please come in.
Namaste. I have brought this for all of you.
Why did you have to bring all
Shri.
this?
Give it to me.
Okay.
Uncle Siddheshwar.
Lord bless you, child.
Let
Auntie
it be, my
Shoma,
child.
I've come again to trouble you all. What are you saying? This is your house too. Hey, put the phone away and seek blessings.
Hey Shri, this girl doesn't make any sense at all. Who can say that she's going to get married in few days? The one who is getting married is in oblivion, but the
Keep
neighbors...
quiet, will you?
Grandpa,
It's okay. Let it be. Lord bless you. Let it be.
let it be, child, let it be. You're looking very pretty. I hope your music practice is going well.
Enough. She has started it as soon as she reached here.
Dad, mom just asked a casual question. Nipa, tell mom that you'll sing today.
Animesh, the main person has answered you. We have nothing to do here.
Absolutely.
But the way the whole thing is advancing in such high speed, I don't think we should delay in fixing the date of the engagement.
No, absolutely not.
What do you think, Sushma?
Oh my. I can see that Rajiv has trained his brother well in the last few days.
Now, what have I done? Whatever goes wrong, Rajiv does it, right? And where is mom, darling? There she is. Mom, darling. Mom, darling. Mom, darling, what's the matter? Why are you standing here? Everyone is criticizing me inside and you aren't protesting.
Keep quiet now. Hey, Nanda, where is your dad? Where did he go?
Dad?
Yes.
Dad is with Shom. We just met them outside. Shom is probably buying sweets.
Happy now? Are you all happy now? Did you all see that? Now, happy everyone? Happy? Huh? Everybody is busy observing Rajiv, but no one is noticing that my mom, darling, is missing her husband today.
No, Rajiv, that's not true. I have noticed it.
Have you?
I completely support you in this.
Thank you.
Here comes Mr. Britain.
What happened?
What can happen? As usual, Rajiv is doing what he's good at. He's teasing me all the time. He forgets that I am his mother-in-law. Sushmita, this isn't going to go on for long.
But Brutin, you're the main protagonist of this situation. Because your wife was missing you terribly and was asking about you.
What are you saying, Amresh? This isn't a good sign. Wait, let me check. I can sense expenditure. No. Mr. Animesh,
Yes.
if the wives look for their husbands, then there has to be some problem.
Uh,
You have to understand that there is something definitely wrong. Am I right?
Yes, please answer him. Please speak whatever is in your heart. You've got the chance to speak today.
Speak up.
no, Mr. Britain, you can say that. Your wife isn't a school teacher. My situation is totally different.
Enough of pulling each other's legs. Let's start with our main program of the evening.
Yes,
Sure.
absolutely.
Yes.
Mithai, why are you standing so far away? Why are you standing so far away? Come with me. Come. Mom, she is Sid's wife.
It's okay, my child. It's okay. Wow. You're so pretty. Take this, my child. I've brought this for you. Take it. Don't be shy. Always be happy. Okay.
Shri, where is Sid? Isn't he back from the office yet?
He'll come back soon. Don't worry. Let's settle down. Why are we standing
let's-
here?
let's go.
Please sit down, everyone. Take Mithai's phone.
What?
Call up Siddharth from her phone or send a message. The idea that you were giving to Mithai, you do it instead.
But Grandpa, do you think will this be a right thing to do?
Listen, Sandeep. Siddharth has to realize that he has married Mithai. He has some responsibility towards her. He can't ignore his responsibility.
Sandy, please keep Mithai's phone with you. Give it to her when she asks for it.
You are right. He's a small boy. He might lose it somewhere. Keep it with you.
Okay. I'll keep it with me. Let me see what I can do.
Yeah. Okay, let's go, Gulti. Come.
Hey, Sandy.
What?
What did Grandpa say? What happened?
What can happen? I have to send a message to Sid from Mithai with love.
What?
Yes.
Hey, Mithai is coming this way.
What? What's the matter? Did I do anything wrong again?
No, you haven't done anything wrong. But there is a possibility of a problem. Today is Lover's Day. How is it possible that there won't be a problem?
By the way, Sid, do you remember what you had planned for your future? You wanted to apply for a US visa. You applied so many times, but you didn't follow up. You didn't follow up thinking that what will you explain to Grandpa? But why, Sid? You are losing your dynamism this way. Let me see who texted you. Grandpa is asking you to come back home soon, Mithai. Like, seriously? Now Mithai will control you. Mithai. Sid, how come?
Look, Tess, I don't have her number and I haven't shared my number with her, so please.
Look, Sid, I just don't understand when you'll realize what a big trap you've got into. Didn't you hear what Ratul said yesterday during the argument? Your marriage with Mithai is legal. And he is absolutely correct. This is the truth, Sid. And today, after reaching home, if you roleplay as husband and wife with Mithai, you will step into a much bigger trap.
Tess, why are you telling me all this?
Because people around you will eventually know that you will accept Mithai as your wife sooner or later. And in case of any problem, all this will work against you, Sid. Why don't you understand? Please keep this in mind. Then you will have to accept Mithai as your wife for the rest of your life. Now Mithai will control you. Mithai.
We had believed that this marriage is real. Moreover, you have never mentioned that it was all a lie.
This marriage is valid as per law.
That's it, Sid. That's it. You may have another shot, but keep your calm and relax, Sid. Yes, please relax. And you have to be adamant too, that you will never accept that girl Mithai socially as your wife. Never ever. Look, Sid, don't let your life go to waste like this.
Hey, Brother Rajiv. Please request grandfather to sing a song. Let the grand event begin.
Yes, that's an excellent suggestion, Mithai. Grandpa, on this emotional day for all our people, I request you earnestly to sing a song and dedicate it to our grandma. Please do it. Yes, give him a big hand hala party. Everybody, come on, come on.
No, Rajiv, what are you saying? Why are you pulling this old couple's leg? You youngsters go ahead and enjoy.
Hey, did you just call me an oldie, Sushma? But I am still very young. Isn't it, my
Yes,
gang?
absolutely,
absolutely.
Look
Yes.
at that shy face.
Yes.
This shyness has remained as it is.
After this, Nipa must sing. Right, uncle? I have heard that today Nipa will sing and our new bride will dance. I'm eagerly waiting for that.
What? Is it my turn to dance? Oh no.
Why are you scared, Mithai? You already know all the steps.
Mother, I'm really having a panic attack now.
Hey, listen. The ones who taught you how to dance go and seek their blessings.
It's okay, it's okay.
Bless
it's
me,
okay.
bless me. Aunt,
Hey, not me, not me. Not at all. Take blessings from the Lourdes. I know you'll do well. I have faith in you. All the
Hmm.
best.
Hey, mom, darling, mom. Hey,
What about Siddharth? He's still not here. His wife will be dancing and he won't be present. Somebody call him up and ask where he is. Or we can all wait for some time before starting, right?
Nanda, the situation doesn't seem right.
Seriously? Ken said not come in time just for a single day?
Grandpa, now you call him up. There's no other option.
His phone rang, but he didn't answer it. I think he'll call back. Maybe he is driving. Let's start. We must start the function. Okay, so do keep in mind to make it a sweet ending, we will end it with Rabindra Sangeet. Come on, let's start.